Hello everyone, I'm Savini and I will be your baking and pastry mentor for this course. Before we get started, I want to brief you a little about what we'll be doing in this course. So basically this course is all about making rough puff dough. We've all heard of lamination that is used to make puffs, croissants, and danishes and a lot of stuff like that, but that's for the professionals. But there's an easy way for us to do it at home without any of the machinery and equipment used in professional bake shops. So that is what is called rough puff dough. So we will be making rough puff dough right in our homes with zero equipment. We won't be using a stand mixer, a dough sheeter or anything. Just us and our rolling pin and a few other easy tools you'll find at home. In this course, we'll be walking through the process of making rough puff dough. Then after that, we'll be using that rough puff dough to make 5 recipes. We'll be making strawberry turnovers, we'll be making French palmiers, we'll be making twisted puffs, pizza puffs and an apple galette. The twisted puff is the best recipe out of all of them because that is the recipe we'll be making out of our scraps. So not only will I be teaching you how to make rough puff and use it to make it into brilliant dishes, but also how to use the scraps that we have left from all those beautiful dishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this course, and if there are any doubts, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you. Let's get started.